Welcome back, everyone. So I hope you and your families are staying healthy. I did some thinking recently, and with all the COVID-19 stuff going on and being stuck inside and being germaphobes, I thought about one thing. Everyone's talking about grocery stores and no contact with people, but I don't hear anything about gas stations. So I thought of a neat little idea. It's not new, it's been around, but I haven't seen anyone talk about it recently. Neat little idea and a way to clean your hands right after you're done pumping gas, because we all know that's what you need to do is wash your hands. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we are. So you've just pumped gas and now you've put the gas pump away and you close everything up and you need to get in your vehicle and you have to do something with your hands. Sure, you could use hand sanitizer, but what if you don't have any? Then what do? You can't always go inside to wash your hands. Well, I thought of that. Grab a soap, and what if we just attach it right there? Then you can wash your hands anytime you want, rinse them off, and you're good to go. Let's do that. Okay, so we have our bar of soap with a hole in it that I just drilled, and we're gonna use a piece of paracord. And we're gonna take that, and we're just gonna lash it right here to the roof rack on the Jeep. This is one of the bar supports. Now, of course, this is more than just the pandemic that's going on currently. This will work for so many things if you're off-roading or camping, or even if you do recoveries, because more than likely you're probably gonna get muddy or grimy crawling under someone else's vehicle. And this way you can at least come here and grab some soap and wash your hands off. So yeah, let's get this all trimmed up. And just to make sure, give these ends a little burn. Okay, so those aren't going to unfray. Now, let's look at the operation. Let's see how it works. Okay, so you're filling up with gas, you're done, you put it away, you put your gas cap back on, now you gotta wash your hands before you get in your vehicle so you don't touch anyone or touch your face like you're not supposed to do. So what do? Get your hands a little wet. Get a little soap on them. Sing your little happy birthday song like you're supposed to in order to get all the germs and bacteria off, right? That's what they tell us to do. And then you come over here through the nozzle and you rinse them off. And once you're done rinsing them off, put your water away. You're good to go. Now you have nice, clean, germ-free hands. You can go touch your vehicle, your wife, your girlfriend, touch your face, whatever you want to do. You don't have to worry about it. So guys, this is a simple solution to a problem that I see. Of course, it's not just for COVID-19. It's really also for when you're out in the backcountry messing around, you want to cook or do anything, at least you have a way of keeping your hands clean so you don't have to worry about it. But anyway guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to go on the channel, hit subscribe down below. As always, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.